This video is going to show you how you might find a general four-year course degree for any college. I'm going to use Iowa State as an example, as every college is, going to be different. Their course program guides are going to look different. Finding them is going to be different. So you're going to join me in the struggles of trying to find the correct program course guide. I want you to know this is what I do all the time, and sometimes it just looks different wherever you go. So we're going to use Iowa State as an example. So I'm just going to type in Iowa State in my search bar. Let's see what comes up. Oh, must be basketball season. But here we go, Iowa State University. So that's where I want to go first, and kind of see what their setup is. Anytime you're looking for course programming, it's most generally going to be under academics. You can look here for majors, minors, and certificates. That's a good place to start to kind of figure out what kind of majors and minors are we looking at. You can click explore programs by college. So let's look at liberal arts and sciences. I am looking to see if I can major in psychology through liberal arts and sciences, and I am seeing a yes in that, but you can see all the different things that fall under the liberal arts and sciences category. So I want to be a psychology major. So I'm going to go to the psychology tab. I'm going to pay attention to kind of what does it offer me, gives me information, welcome, undergraduate, if I could read about the program, what do I have to do, psychology major, overview, learning community, study abroad, student spotlight, student organizations. That's kind of not what I want either. Oh, course syllabi, career planning. That's what it's going to have. So let's look at the course syllabi and see. No, that's not it. So maybe I am going to click on the psychology major. And then it says, please see the course catalog for more information about the psychology major. That's the kind of stuff you want to be looking for, is the course catalog. Anything that says courses or program plans or guides, that's going to be what you want. So it gives me an overview here. And then I see the four-year plan. That's what you want. So here, Iowa State's going to show me their four-year plan. So in the freshman year, fall semester, it would want me to take English, psych, a natural science, a required math, social choice. In the spring semester, psychology, social science, natural science, arts, humanity, elective, and then psych 111 and library 160. Now, if you want to know what any of those specific things are, it looks like I can click on those classes, and it's going to give me that information. Now, this orientation of psychology, that might be a university specific course. Really, when you're transferring to university, you want something that's very general to teach you, because they are going to have degree specific certification courses that they're going to want you to take there. So anytime it says like general, like that kind of stuff, perfect for you to take Iowa Western classes. English 150, that's Comp 1. English 250, that's Comp 2. So you can take those. If it says, let's keep scrolling down, more choices, more philosophy choices, world language elective, those would be your Spanishes. If you're doing Spanish right now, that's a good thing. So you don't have to worry about those as you're getting up there. I'm looking for a communications class. I'm certain they're going to want you to have some sort of communications. Looks like here, English, that's probably one of my communications courses that they're going to want me to take. Rhetoric, rhetorical concepts. So that's business communication, proposal writing, technical communication, research methods. Let's see here. So those would be the types of classes that you could take here at Iowa Western to get out of taking some of those classes and paying a buttload at Iowa State for. So that's just an example of how you can find those. And then what you could do once you have that information is say, okay, here's my course program. what classes, could I take? And so then going to your Iowa Westerns list, make those decisions and communicate with your counselor. Good luck.